Emily was a beautiful housewife dedicated to her family's happiness and well-being. She loved taking care of her children and making their home a warm sanctuary. Every morning, Emily prepared healthy breakfast while humming cheerful tunes. She believed that a nutritious meal was the foundation of her family's good health. Emily always made sure her children did their homework diligently before playing outside. She would sit with them at the table, offering encouragement and guidance. Between chores, Emily managed to check her own health, ensuring she stayed active and fit. She loved sharing her wellness tips on social media in short, inspiring videos. Her videos quickly became viral, inspiring moms everywhere to prioritize self-care. One day, Emily posted a quick tutorial on preparing nutritious smoothies for energy. Her followers commented, "You are a true queen, Emily!" She smiled, grateful for the supportive community her content created. In the afternoons, Emily prepared delicious family dinners, filling her home with aroma and love. She always included vegetables, making it both tasty and nutritious. After dinner, she spent quality time playing with her children, cherishing every moment. Emily believed that a happy, healthy family started with a caring mother at home. Her husband admired her dedication, often saying, "You're the heart of our family, Emily." She responded humbly, "It's all about love and making everything special." On weekends, Emily organized fun activities for her children outdoors in their garden. Her social media stories captured her joyful moments, inspiring others to do the same. She frequently shared tips on balancing family chores and personal health routines. Emily also encouraged her children to help with small household tasks enthusiastically. Her approach promoted teamwork and responsibility within her family unit. Every day, she took a moment to meditate, finding peace amidst busy days. Her friends often asked for her advice on managing family life effectively. Emily always emphasized the importance of self-care for moms to stay energized. She believed that caring for herself enabled her to care better for others. Her cleaning routines were both efficient and eco-friendly, appealing to her followers. She created a short video about sustainable cleaning that went viral overnight. Emily's honest tips about balancing life and health resonated with many viewers. Her social media presence grew steadily, inspiring countless women to adopt healthier habits. Emily loved her life, seeing each day as an opportunity to nurture her family. She often said love starts at home and health is the key to happiness. Her children adored her, always eager to learn from her kindness and patience. Watching her interact with her kids, many viewers felt motivated and joyful themselves. Emily's daily stories continued to inspire a community of caring, health-conscious women. Her goal was simple: create a positive, loving environment for her family and followers. Through her efforts, she proved that a beautiful, healthy home begins with dedicated